What I want to do is to touch you where you live. The work I've been doing for the past 40 some odd years has transformed the lives of millions, literally millions of individuals who have read my book. And I should say read my books because there are now 30 some odd of them. And literally did my books. So you understand the books are not about reading. They're about absorbing, taking in, and then doing. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, et cetera, and so forth. And what we've proven over the decades is that, in fact, my books, the E-Myth point of view, the methodology that we've shared with so many, works in every kind of company on the planet. So effectively, it doesn't matter what your product is. It doesn't matter what your service is. It doesn't matter what you think you're doing. Whether you're a roofer, whether you're a framer, whatever you are, it doesn't make any damn bit of difference. The process is a universal process. That every single one of you can go from a company of one, doing it, to a company of 1,000, where it's doing it in a way that you never imagined possible before.